Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life, and I got bingo winnings from Kathie's World. Yay! So, there's 2 bingo winnings here. So, that's this past week, and this was from I think 2 weeks ago? I don't remember. But these are pretty cool. They are, I can't remember who they were donated by. But these are awesome. I cannot wait, and I might do this tonight because I don't know what I'm going to do, is they're like key drop envelopes, signature required. You put in their envelopes, but I could do some mixed media on them. So, them are so cool. So, I got that back in this pack. I think they're all the same. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Bam. That's so cool. And then, this as well. Bingo, bingo, bingo. Bingo, bingo, bingo. Okay. Ooh. And these ones are like got a hole in. Oh, that's cool. Ready? It also has this little flap. Oh, I see. You can tear that off. Okay, you tear that off. Like so. And then, important, please call. Important, closed. And the information enclosed. Now, that's cool. And it's got the self-sealant. And it's got this little hole. I don't get the whole part. But that's cool. So that was about 2 weeks ago. And on that night, Kathy is giving everybody a bingo bag. And a little trick or treat. Let's see, I got a purple ghost pencil. I got some little Halloween stickers. And this is cute. A little mummy ruler. Oh, baby Tina. Mummy baby Tina. Reminds me of. And then, happy Halloween. Just a little book. And what else is in here? Ooh, I got a dauber. I might have to give this to Rue. She'd like this stuff. And, trick or treat. And we got a pencil. And we have a kitty cat eraser. That's cute. So that's that bingo winning. That's cool. Cool. That's cool. Then this week everything was wrapped up. You didn't get to see what you wanted. I'm one of those people that I cannot wait. So I am not waiting until December. And it was donated from Trucker Janie, a cool bag, which I'm going to keep, of course. Get that a little bit. And I have no idea what I want. So let's see. Trucker Janie donated. Ooh. Oh, look at it. It's already a book. Oh, I see. Okay, I know it's a book. I don't understand the lace, so I might have to check with Janie. But it's she already has it lined for you to do a journal. So she has little pins in the corners. I guess to show you that, hey, you can do that maybe. Frame it like that. And then also, you got some paper to add into it. So I could create a journal. Like a signature journal. I think she just has the lace pinned in there so you can kind of see what you can do. Or is this the cover? Oh, that might be the cover. Not positive. But either way, you can, no, because Ben's better this way. That is cool. I love the flowers. I might have to build me a journal. So that is my winnings from bingo. So cool. If you're not familiar with Kathie's World, please go check her out. She plays bingo every Monday night. It's fun. You have a great time. You win some cool prizes. Some unexpected ones when you're like, Like I said, I'm a little confused on the lace thing, but I'm thinking she just has it pinned in her so you can have an idea how, if you wanted to put that in. Or just pinned it that way so you had some lace. I'm not sure. But I want to thank Janie. I want to say this stuff right here was donated by Jelly Bean. But if I'm mistaken, I'm sorry. But whoever donated this, thank you. And of course, Kathie with a little Halloween pack. So thank you very much. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.